In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to fix Klarna not working. So let's get started. Klarna can sometimes fail at checkout or show errors, and it's usually because of a few common issues. Let's go through them step by step. First, check your account details. Make sure your name, date of birth, billing address, and phone number in Klarna exactly match what your bank or card has, because even small differences can cause Klarna to decline your purchase. So you want to head over to your profile and then go over to your account info. Oh, it should look something like this. I blurred out my details. And you want to make sure they exactly match, your name exactly matches what is in your passport, your mobile number should match your billing address and everything, okay? Now, if that's all correct, then next check your payment method. Klarna works with most debit and credit cards, but expired cards, insufficient funds, or blocked cards can stop it from working. So, if possible, try adding a different card or making sure your current card is active and has enough balance. So, you just go ahead to your bank account details section and add maybe another working bank account or another card of yours, maybe a PayPal or anything like that, and try seeing if that works. Sometimes Klarna won't work if you have overdue payments or unpaid Klarna orders. So open the Klarna app, go to your orders or payments tab and check if anything is overdue. Paying off past orders can instantly improve your eligibility. So in my case, I would go to all purchases. Well, I haven't bought anything, so there's nothing for me, but if you have, then make sure nothing's overdue because that's what might be causing you problems. Now, if this is not the case, then another important point is the purchase amount. Klarna has limits on how much you can buy based on your account and payment history. So, if your order is too expensive, try splitting it into smaller amounts or buying fewer items. Also, check the merchant or item restrictions because not all stores or products are Klarna eligible. So, make sure the store accepts Klarna and the item can be purchased with it. Finally, if all else fails, contact Klarna support. You can reach them through the app by tapping help, contact us, or via their website. Explain your problem, and they can usually resolve it quickly. So, anyways, guys, that'll be it for this video. I hope this video helped with your issue, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.